Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to ADR Rush. Today we're going to do something different. We are going to replace the stock wheel bearings on the Suzuki Gxsr 600 with Boca Bearings. Boca Bearings is a specialized company here in Boca, Florida that makes ceramic bearings for motorcycles, trucks, RC cars, and fishing reels. So if you guys want to check them out, I will post a link in the description below. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a comparison. We are going to set the timer up. We're going to spin the wheel, start the timer. And this is with the stock bearing first. As soon as that wheel stops, we're going to stop the timer. We're going to remove the front wheel, switch out the bearings to Boca ceramic bearings. We're going to repeat the same process with the timer. Spin the wheel, start the timer. As soon as the wheel ends, we're going to end the timer. So the longer it takes to stop, the better, which means it's less friction. So, you know, that's the reason why racers all over the world use either ceramic bearings on the motorcycles, because it's a smoother ride, less friction, gives them quicker launches, makes them go faster. So we're gonna get this process started. Y'all stay tuned. All right, here I am. I got my timer set up. I'm gonna try to apply the same amount of force on the steel bearings and the same amount of force on the ceramic bearings. So here I go. "15 seconds. 15 seconds, that's what it took. And all right, so we're gonna remove the front wheel, change the front bearings, and see what the timer tells us. So here it is. 15.56 seconds. And that is with the steel bearings, the steel stock bearings. Alright, so couldn't remove this. There we go. Remove the seal. Flip it around. Have it. Okay, here are the first bearing. Here are the steel bearings. Okay, so those are the thick ones. So there's one right here. Okay guys, I am back. It is the following day. I couldn't finish the install because there was a discrepancies in the sizes of the bearing. So what I did basically was just call Boca Bearing. Luckily and fortunately, I am local, so they told me to stop by. I stopped by, picked up the bearings, and it's a done deal. So here we are. There are a total of 5 bearings. These 2 are the same size for the front wheels, and on the rear wheel there are 3 different sizes. 2 are for the rim themselves, the rim itself, and the other one is for the sprocket hub. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out. Alright, I installed them. I thought I had my camera recording. That's okay, I'll show you the process for the rear. Very simple. What I did was I added some chain lube to the actual wheel so the bearings can slide in a little easy, and it worked. So let's grab the rear wheel. All right, so let me add some lube. Very simple installation. Hit it with a rubber mallet and work it all the way around. Now I use this to drive it a little deeper. Work it. Now if you notice, I'm putting this on the outer edge, not on the inner edge. Okay, I'm there. Okay, get my hands. Put these back on. This is a very simple installation. Now, let me not forget my seals, but we're gonna work. Let me not forget my seals. I install those when I'm ready. Make sure the direction is correct. So now, let's grab my sprocket hub. This is where the third bearing goes. Clean this out. There's a lot of debris in there. Okay, this is the big bearing. Spray it with some chain lube. Work it all the way around. It's vibrating because these are loose. It's not a big deal. I'll tighten those up later. Rubber mallet, man. Hit it with some of this lube again. Just a tad. Kind of difficult to do this sensitively. Alright. Like I said, I add this lube just to get it in. So you gotta go a little more. Let me hit it with this side. You know, better yet, let me go grab a better rounded mallet. Here's a better rounded mallet. All right, there it is. Okay. That was easy enough. All right, guys, as you see, the timer on the steel bearings was 15.56. We have the timer. We have the new ceramic bearings installed, and we are going to time that to see if ceramic bearings make a difference in performance. All right, so it was around 18. Let me do this again. It was around 18. I just delayed my finger pausing. Let's reset it. I screwed up right there. It was around 17. Let's try that one more time. Reset it. Oops. Try that one more time. Reset it. We got 17.87. It's a small difference in performance. Yo, what's up, guys? I am back. This is day 3. I was unhappy with the results from the first test I performed. I was only gaining 3 seconds. For me, it was like, wow, 3 seconds? Did I do something wrong? No, I did not. The only thing I forgot to do was break these bearings in. After talking to my buddy Speedy Samiti, he told me that I had to break these ceramic bearings in. So a week later, I broke them in. I put in a few hundred miles on them. So we're gonna run this test and see what are the results now. And for what I see, they are looking pretty good. And as you see, I removed my calipers just to perform this test. The reason I moved the calipers is because there's some sort of a friction issue with the brake disc, and I did not want that to be an issue when performing this test. So that's an issue I need to address down the road, that I want to address down the road. But here we are now, and let's get this test rolling. This is another ADR Rush bike here that just pulled in. That's my son. Really? That's awesome. Anyhow, say what's up to the people.
What's up, guys? The team is here. ADR Rush.
All right.
I hope he's giving a good presentation.
All right, guys. So here we got the stopwatch to time this test. As soon as I spin this wheel, I'm gonna hit start. I try to put the same amount of effort I did the first time. Actually, I put in a little less. But let's see if wow. That was less effort too. "35 seconds. That's a little bit more than double the time from the first test. Why? Because the first test, I did not break these bearings in. And I can only imagine if these bearings are warmed up, it will perform better. But let's run this test back. As y'all see here, it's 35.83, almost 36 seconds. I'm gonna spin this again and put the same amount of force I put the first time. How do I know? I don't. It's just that muscle memory. So here let me clear this real quick. That's the same amount of force I put the first time. It'll probably hit 40 seconds. This will only get better when these bearings are warmed up. $42.45. Wow. Wow, there you have it, guys. Ceramic bearings are better performing bearings than steel bearings. I got proof right here. If you guys don't believe me, buy yourself a set of bearings to perform this test yourself to see true facts. But this should be more than enough. There's no editing here. This is all raw. So there you have it, guys. All right, guys, with all that being said, I want to thank Boca Bearings for making an amazing product. Please send us another set of bearings for this bike. And we're going to take these bikes to the track and put them to the test. I already put them to the test, but, you know, it's different on a track. On a track, it's a whole different ball game. So, for all you guys that are watching, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. We got more content coming soon. And we're planning more crazy content coming soon. So much love to y'all. Peace.